Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now in front of me on the table, I've got Rugged Ridge's complete floor liner kit fitting your 2018 and newer four-door Wrangler. Now, this kit includes everything that you need to completely protect the interior of your JL Wrangler without having to worry about getting stains or ripping up the carpet down below. Now what's nice about this kit is it even includes that rear cargo liner, and this one specifically is going to work without the factory subwoofer, so if you don't have the Alpine, this will work for you. Now what's nice about this is it is an extremely durable rubber that features a nice grading and texture, that way your feet don't slip around, and it allows the mud and debris to fall below there, so you're not simply scratching up the top here, you can get a nice clean look on the inside. We do have two front pieces, a center piece for the rear seats, and then that rear cargo area to completely cover up the inside of the Jeep. Now we're going to show you what these front ones look like inside of the Jeep so you can get a good perspective of what it looked like with carpet and what it looks like with these brand new Rugged Ridge floor liners. Now if you want to check these out as well as many other great parts for your Jeep, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com.